Welcome to Hunan Lima Machinery Manufacture Company. We specialize in the design, research, production, and sales of animal feed machinery. With decades of experience and a global market footprint, we are committed to delivering high-efficiency, durable, and smart feed production solutions. Our company is structured into several key departments: R&D, engineering, quality control, manufacturing, and after-sales service. Each team plays a vital role in ensuring every machine we deliver meets international standards and exceeds customer expectations. Over the years, we've successfully delivered complete feed production lines to customers in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Bangladesh, and beyond. Each project is customized based on the client's local conditions and production needs, from 500 kilograms per hour to 10 tons per hour. Our clients consistently praise our machinery for its stability, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. Many return for additional equipment or upgrades, and our long-term partnerships are built on trust, reliability, and consistent results. We collaborate with local distributors, engineers, and influencers in Africa and Asia to support customers with training, marketing, and installation guidance. Their on-site feedback helps us continuously optimize our machines and services. Every year, we welcome clients from all over the world to visit our factory. They come to test machines, learn operations, and customize their production lines. Especially for high-capacity systems, our global clients, including many distributors, value the in-person experience and long-term cooperation we offer. We actively participate in international exhibitions across various countries, including Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Thailand, and many more. These exhibitions give us the opportunity to meet customers face-to-face, demonstrate our machines on-site, and provide real-time technical consultations. By attending regional events worldwide, we bring our services closer to our customers and strengthen our local partnerships. Our professional engineers travel worldwide to assist with site measurement, layout design, equipment installation, and technical training. Whether in remote rural areas or large cities, we ensure that every customer receives full technical support and after-sales service. With global service, local support, and a customer-first approach, Hunan Lima Machinery is your reliable partner in feed production. Join hundreds of successful customers worldwide. Contact us to start your customized solution today.